Welcome back to Portway Music School, where today we're going to teach you how to play the main tune for Passacaglia. You want to start with 2 C's an octave apart from each other, and it's your left finger that goes up to C and then goes all the way down. The next part's very similar, but you move your octaves to a B, and then your left hand goes up to your right and goes down again. The third section, exactly the same. You go down a tone to A and do exactly the same routine. The last bit finishes on A, G sharp, F sharp, then back up to G sharp and finishes on 2 A's. The second bit's very similar, but this time it's your right hand that travels. So both starting on C, and it's your right hand that goes down to meet your left hand and goes back upwards. Practice getting it up to speed, and here it is full speed for you now. Let's try and do that tune along to some chords. 4, 3, 2, 1. Join us in part 2, where you'll have the chance to play along some more variations. Now's the time to go back and do it all again, or check out some other videos where we do some different chord progressions.